Hello, Tom. Can you help me for a minute?
Hello, Emily. Yes, what is the problem?
I have a new app for taxis, but it looks very difficult.
Don't worry, Emily. I use this app every day.
I need to go to the airport. My flight is in 2 hours.
We have plenty of time. Let's look at your screen.
I see many buttons here. Which one is for the start?
First, you must open the app. Click on the yellow icon.
Okay, I am clicking it now. The screen is loading.
Now the app wants your location. You must say allow.
Why does it need my location? Is it safe?
Yes, it is very safe. The driver needs to find our house.
I see a small blue dot. Is that me on the map?
Exactly, that is our building. The app knows where we are.
That is very clever technology. My old phone was very simple.
Modern apps are very smart. They make life much easier.
Now I see a big white box. What do I type here?
This box is for your destination. Type airport in the box.
AIRPORT. Is the spelling correct, Tom?
Yes, that is perfect. Now you see many options below.
I see standard, comfort, and large. What is the difference?
Standard is a normal car. It is the cheapest option.
I have 2 big suitcases. Maybe I need a large car.
You are right, Emily. A large car has a big trunk.
I am clicking on large. The price is $30.
That is a good price. The airport is quite far from here.
How long is the wait? I am a bit nervous.
The app says 5 minutes. That is very fast for today.
I'm glad I asked you. I was very confused before.
I am happy to help. Let's look at the next step. Now, you must check the route. Look at the red line.
The line goes through the city center. Is there much traffic?
The app says the road is clear. It uses real-time data.
Can the driver change the road? I want the fastest way.
The driver follows a GPS. It always chooses the best path.
I see a small car moving. Is that my taxi?
No, that is a different car. Your car is not here yet.
Oh, I see. There are many cars in this area.
This is a very busy street. Taxis are everywhere.
Now I see a green button. It says confirm pickup.
Wait, check your address again. Is the number correct?
It says Building 12 West Street. Yes, that is right.
Perfect. Now press the green button. You are ready.
I am pressing it now. The phone is making a sound.
Now the app is looking for a driver. This takes a second.
I see a spinning circle. I hope someone is free.
There are many drivers at noon. Don't worry, Emily.
Look, the screen changed again. I see a photo.
That is your driver. His name is Peter.
He has a very kind face, and he has a silver car.
Look at the plate number. You must check it later.
ABC 123. I will remember that.
It is important for safety. Only get in the correct car.
You are very wise, Tom. I am learning a lot.
I had a mistake once. I got in the wrong car.
Really? What happened then?
The driver was very surprised. We both laughed about it.
I don't want to do that. I will look for silver.
The car is 3 minutes away. It is very close.
I should get my coat. I am almost ready.
Wait, Emily. We must choose the payment.
Can I pay with cash? I have a $20 bill.
Yes, you can use cash, but a card is better.
I prefer to use my credit card. How do I add it?
Go to the menu button. It is in the corner.
I see 3 small lines. Is that the menu?
Yes, click on that. Now find the word payment.
I found it. Now it asks for my card number.
You can use your camera. It can scan the card.
That is amazing. I don't need to type the numbers.
It is very fast. Just hold the card in front of the lens.
It worked. My card is on the screen now.
Now, the app is very convenient. You don't need cash.
Does it pay automatically when the trip is over?
Yes, it does. You just say goodbye and leave.
That is very easy. I love this app now.
You can also give a tip if the driver is nice.
How do I give a tip? Is it on the screen too?
Yes, after the trip, you can choose $1 or $2.
I like to be generous. Good drivers work very hard.
I agree with you. It is a very difficult job.
Now the app says card active. Am I finished?
Yes, you are all set. The payment is ready.
What if I have a problem? Is there a help button?
Yes, there is support. They answer very quickly.
I feel very confident now. Technology is not so scary.
You are a fast learner, Emily. You're doing great.
Thank you for your patience. You are a great teacher.
It is a pleasure. I enjoy explaining things.
Look, the car is turning the corner.
Look at the map now. The silver car is very close.
I see it moving on the street. It is like a video game.
Yes, it is very interactive. It updates every second.
The driver is stopping at the red light. I can see it.
It is very accurate. You always know where the car is.
It says, arriving in 1 minute. I am getting my bags.
I will help you with the bags. They look very heavy.
Thank you, Tom. You are very kind to me.
We are neighbors. Neighbors must help each other.
Can I send my location to my mom? She is waiting.
Yes, there is a share trip button. Look at the bottom.
I am clicking it. Can I send it to her WhatsApp?
Yes, she will see your car on her map too.
Now she will not worry. She knows I am safe.
That is a very popular feature. Many people use it at night.
I can see the car through the window. It is silver.
Check the plate again. Is it ABC 123?
Yes, it is. Peter is here on time.
The app is sending a message. Your driver is outside.
My phone is vibrating. The app is very loud.
It wants to make sure you are ready. It is a reminder.
I am opening the door now. Let's go to the car.
The sun is very bright. It is a beautiful day for a flight.
I hope the airport is not too busy today.
Tuesday is usually quiet. You will have no problems.
I have my passport and my phone. I am ready.
Don't forget your charger. You need it for the plane.
Oh, it is on the table. Thank you, Tom.
You are very welcome. Now you have everything.
Let's walk to the taxi.
Hello, Peter. Are you here for Emily?
The driver is nodding. He is very polite.
He is opening the trunk. The suitcases are inside now.
Look at the app one more time. Does it say trip started?
Yes, it does. The map shows the way to the airport.
Good. Now you can relax. The app is doing the work.
Can I change the music, or is that rude?
Some cars have a music option in the app. Check it.
I see a music icon. I can choose my playlist.
That is a comfort feature. You are very lucky today.
I want to listen to some jazz. It is very relaxing.
Jazz is perfect for a long ride. Enjoy the music.
The seats are very soft. This car is very clean.
Peter has a high rating. He has 5 stars.
What are the stars for? Is it for his service?
Yes, passengers give stars after the trip. 5 is the best.
I will give him 5 stars too. He is very professional.
Ratings are very important for drivers. It helps them work.
I understand. I like this system very much.
You can also see his total trips. He did 2,000 trips.
Wow, he is a very experienced driver. I am safe.
Peter knows the city very well. You will not get lost.
The app shows the arrival time, 12:45 p.m.
That is perfect. You have 1 hour for check-in.
I am starting to feel happy. The stress is gone.
That is the power of a good app. It solves problems.
And the power of a good neighbor. Thank you, Tom.
You are very welcome, Emily. Have a wonderful trip.
I will send you a photo from the beach.
I would love that. Take care of yourself.
The airport is very big. I see many planes.
The car is stopping now. You are at the terminal.
Peter is helping me with my bags. He is so kind.
Now, check your phone. The app says trip finished.
It shows the final price, $30, as promised.
The money is taken from your card. You don't need your wallet.
That is so convenient. I don't have to wait for change.
Now, you can rate the driver. The stars are on the screen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, and a thank you note.
You can also add a tip now. Do you want to?
Yes, I am adding $5. He was excellent.
Peter is smiling. He can see your rating on his phone.
I am waving goodbye to him. He is driving away.
Now you are ready for your adventure. The airport is open.
I have my phone in my hand. I am not afraid anymore.
I'm glad to hear that. You are a tech expert now.
Maybe not an expert, but I am a good user.
I am going back home now. I have some work to do.
Thank you again for everything, Tom. You are a hero.
It was my pleasure, Emily. See you in 2 weeks.
See you soon. I am walking to the entrance now.
Don't forget to check your gate on the screen.
I will. I have an app for the airport too.
Look at you. You are using all the apps.
It is a new world for me, and I like it.
Have a safe flight, Emily. Enjoy the sun.
Goodbye, Tom. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye. I am waving my hand.